this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get mythic souls fast here in Anime Tactical Simulator. If you do find this guide helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, mythic souls are extremely important because they're used to evolve your strongest units, making them a lot more powerful for worlds, raids, and tower modes. The fastest way to get those mythic souls is by using the NPC located right next to the leaderboard. So go ahead and make your way over to the leaderboard over here and interact with the NPC right here. Once you interact with this NPC right here, you have the option to sacrifice extra high rarity units, and when you sacrifice those units, you'll receive souls in return. A higher rarity unit is going to give you a lot more souls, and if you have duplicate mythic units, sacrificing them can give you a large number of souls very quickly, which makes this one of the fastest farming methods in the entire game. To get more duplicates to sacrifice, you should farm summons as much as possible. Use codes, event rewards, and regular summoning to keep getting more units. And then whenever you get duplicates that you don't need, bring them back to the NPC near the leaderboard and convert them into souls. One thing I would say though is avoid sacrificing units that you might want to evolve later. If a unit is strong or useful for future evolutions, it's better keep it just instead of sacrificing it right away. But by constantly doing this, you'll be chilling. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.